Hey boys and girls, I'm finally cooking some of the sweet potatoes from the garden. Now they started out like this, covered in dirt, and so first I had to wash them off in the sink, and I have a little scrubbing brush that I use for regular potatoes that I use to get most of the dirt off. Then I had to peel the outside skin just like you would a regular potato, and then I started cutting them up. Now you see, unfortunately, because we didn't even know they were buried under there in the garden, there's a lot of bug damage. So I'm gonna discard the parts where the bugs have tunneled through. They literally were tunneling through. And then I'm cutting just the parts that have no bug damage, putting them kind of small. And because I had to do that, instead of making it into like a baked potato, I'm gonna do mashed sweet potatoes. Now, hopefully our curing process, where first we had them hot and damp for a few weeks and then cold, will work. I'm gonna start with just a couple of the smaller ones, which are really still huge because they grew in the garden 2 years. And we're gonna cook those up, and if they go well, then I'll be able to start doing more of the others. Wish me luck.